Alright, I'm here in the office. So, anyways, I'm going to put this at the beginning of the video because I didn't really have the information while I was filming, but our GMC Acadia was throwing the code P0496, which is the vapor canister purge valve. So, that could be a list of things. Anyways, one of the things I replaced was the valve / solenoid. Super simple, super easy. I threw a little video together, so hopefully if anyone else has this problem, they can fix it. Ooh, look at that. Squeaky chair. Maybe that'll be my next thing I fix. But, anyways, so here's the video. Keep watching. It's coming up next. And, yeah, anyways, basically some of the times when I would go to get gas, it's in the winter, it's really cold, so I'd, leave it running and take the gas cap off, and basically it would just start purging really bad, like the vehicle would cut out. One time my wife did it, it completely killed the vehicle. And also, if we didn't leave the car running, it was super hard to start. Like, it took a while before it would even start. So we knew there was a problem. So yeah, that's just one of the things you can replace. Now, I don't know if it fixed it. I took the gas cap off. I believe it fixed it, but you never know. So I cleared the code. My wife's out driving it right now. I went and drove it around. I believe that fixed the problem, but that is one of the things that you can fix to correct the problem. So here's the video on how to change that part. Hey guys, it's time for another video. I gotta repair some stuff on my GMC Acadia. So, got this code coming up. It says it's my evaporative something canister or evap control canister, something like that. So, anyways, just take this bad boy off. Make sure you take your oil cap off, and then pull that off. And then you can put the oil cap back on just to keep, stuff from getting back in. So anyways, the problem is this guy right here. I went and bought a new one. You know. So, yeah, we're gonna replace this real quick like. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off here. So I'll just go ahead and pull that off. Oh geez. There you go. Focus. Go ahead and pull that off. Pull off the electrical clip to it, and then I need to grab, I believe it's a 12mm bolt. Oh no. Pause.
Space right here.
Yeah?
Right under there.
Alright, we're back. Size 10mm. Yeah, it was like 3 hours ago when I paused that. Not really though.
It was like 15 minutes ago.
Still took longer than normal when you can't find your tools. I just moved, I moved here, I don't know, April, end of April, 1st of May. So I need to get all my stuff organized way better than it is now. And that would include getting the toolbox. So you pull that bolt out, and this should just, it's got an O-ring, you just slip it on out of here, like so. You see that? Is it clear enough? Is it clear enough for you? Alright, out with the old this new one that's been sitting here the whole time. I just went to go grab it. Didn't know where it was. Life goals, huh? Anyway, put that bad boy in. Get that thing all lined up, ready to rock. Start getting it screwed on in there. So anyways, I'll put what code this thing was throwing. It's on my phone. I don't remember it off the top of my head, but tighten her like so. I felt kind of weak, so you might not want to over tighten it. And then we'll just slip that clip back on. Slip this clip back on. Boom. Now, one of the tests is, let's go ahead and start this bad boy. Okay, should we start it? We'll start it and let's see. We'll pull the gas cap off and see if it runs rough. Alright, Brianna, come here. Never mind, you can just stay right there. There's my wifey peeking at us.
Hola.
I just pulled the gas cap off and it's running better. I think I fixed the problem. Woo-woo. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this thing back on and clear the code, see if it comes up again, but I think I fixed the problem. Boop.